the wake of a landmark court decision, a Tesla driver has been ordered to pay over $23,000 in restitution for a 2019 car crash that claimed the lives of 2 individuals in a Los Angeles suburb. This verdict comes on the same day that Tesla recalled nearly all vehicles sold in the U.S. in response to a series of deadly crashes investigated by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The court hearing marked a significant legal milestone, as it is believed to be the first instance in the U.S. where prosecutors pressed felony charges against a motorist utilizing a partially automated driving system. The charges were brought against Kevin Aziz Riyad, the Tesla driver, who pleaded no contest to 2 counts of vehicular manslaughter with gross negligence. Despite the potential for more than 7 years of imprisonment, Riyad received probation as his sentence in June. The fatal incident occurred on December 29, 2019, when Riyad, a limousine service driver, was behind the wheel of a Tesla Model S using the autopilot system. The vehicle, traveling at 74 mph, departed a freeway and ran a red light on a local street in Gardena, California, before colliding with a Honda Civic at an intersection. The occupants of the Honda Civic, Gilberto Alcazar Lopez and Maria Guadalupe Nieves Lopez, lost their lives at the scene. The court decision coincides with Tesla's recall of more than 2 million vehicles in the U.S. The recall aims to update software and rectify a defective system designed to ensure driver attentiveness while using the autopilot feature. This action follows a 2-year federal investigation into accidents that occurred while the autopilot system was engaged. In response to the court ruling, the families of the victims, Alcazar Lopez and Nieves Lopez, have separately filed civil lawsuits against both Riyad and Tesla. While appreciative of the restitution, Donald Slavic, representing Alcazar Lopez's family, notes that it constitutes only a small fraction of the damages suffered. Their lawsuit is scheduled for trial next year. Slavic contends that the recently announced recall limiting autopilot use to controlled access highways might have prevented this tragic incident. The Nieves Lopez family's attorney did not provide comment, leaving the ongoing civil lawsuits to further address the implications of the court decision. As the legal landscape surrounding autonomous driving evolves, this case raises crucial questions about accountability and the role of automated systems in vehicle safety. With Tesla's extensive recall and the court's ruling, the incident underscores the need for robust safety measures and regulatory frameworks in the rapidly advancing realm of autonomous vehicles. In conclusion, the convergence of legal developments and Tesla's recall highlights the complex intersection of technology, responsibility, and the pursuit of justice in the aftermath of tragic accidents. As the automotive industry grapples with these challenges, the implications of this case are likely to reverberate through ongoing legal battles and discussions surrounding the future of automated driving. If you found this summary informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on legal developments, automotive technology, and the evolving landscape of autonomous vehicles.